Hello, this is the TradeSight U.S. Stocks, Futures, and Forex Market Preview for Wednesday, the 16th of November, 2022. We had a good trading week so far. It was very boring most of the day Monday or Tuesday until the dip on the news that Russia accidentally shot some missiles into Poland. But let's look at Wednesday, which is going to be the options unraveling for the November options expiration on Friday. And so we know that means we should get a move after the first hour if there's an options unravel to happen. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. And as you can see, we're working on 9 bars up and a 13 sell signal, maybe 5 or 6 days away as we head back towards the green static trend line. The S&P cash was up 34.48 on the session, up against that green static trend line. The NASDAQ 100 was up 170.21. That's new highs for the last many months. The SOX up 82.56. New highs again. Biotech's up 15.95. Swept new highs for the year. Russell 2000 up 27.95. Got crude oil down 33 cents to 86.59. Gold down 20 cents. I got the advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ plus 14.25, so way more stocks up than down. On the New York plus 15.26, kind of the same deal. NASDAQ volume was 5.5 billion shares, just decent. The VIX closed just up 81 cents, which is interesting because we were up, market's up, and VIX is up. Very interesting. Trend closes at 1.05, puts the 10-day moving average at 1.17, so there's no signal there. Apple up $1.76. But it was a gap up and choppy. Amazon up 45 cents. Nobody cares. Meta up $2.86. Crawling back off the lows. Google up $2.74. That's a 2% gain for Google. Goldman Sachs up 52 cents. This thing's been on a big tear for a while. Netflix up $10.93. New closing highs on Netflix. Peloton up 90 cents. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, up $1.58. So whatever there. We've got Tesla up $3.47. That's barely off the lows. Zoom up $3.09. Way more positive. The VXX, we don't care. Nvidia up $3.71. That's new highs for the last couple of weeks. Bitcoin up 16,785. That's a little bit of a recovery from what we've seen, because again, it broke to new lows not too long ago here, and the Dow was up just 56 points. All right, in terms of intraday action, here's the 5-minute candles. Like I said, you can see Monday was kind of a small gap down, fairly flat, sold off late. Tuesday was a gap up, dead flat, very choppy for the first couple hours, and then sold off when we got the news that the Russian missiles had hit Poland. That filled the gap. Then we kind of bounced off of that, and it is what it is. In terms of economic data on Wednesday, we've got the CPI out of Canada, retail sales and import-export prices out of the U.S., capacity utilization, industrial production here. Another Fed member speaking, a couple of them actually. Crude oil inventories at 10:30, tick long-term purchases at the close. That's pretty much it. That'll be the week. That'll be the day, and then we'll focus on Thursday and Friday. But again, look for that options unraveling move if we have one under the rules we teach, and then the options expiration on Friday. We'll talk about that tomorrow night. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken the trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Wednesday.